Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to clean up your hard drive from temporary files that Windows Update puts there. So every time Windows updates, it dumps a bunch of stuff on your hard drive and it doesn't remove all of it when it's done. So if you do a major update, you'll notice that you might even have a windows.old folder. And when you have one of these, that means you have 10 days to uninstall that major update and revert back to your previous version of Windows. But you can actually clear this out to get some space. So if we right-click this, go to Properties. See, that's a gig and a half just for that Windows old. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a couple command line methods you could use to kind of analyze your computer first and then run the command that'll actually clean up this temporary stuff. So let's see what we got going on here for the C drive. Right here we got 32.9 gigabytes free. So we'll just kind of leave that open here. So what we're going to do is run these two commands and see what happens afterwards. So let's copy this one here first. So you need to run an administrative command prompt to do so. So we'll just paste it in there by right-clicking, press enter. So now it's going to analyze it, and then it'll tell us what it finds after this. Okay, so we got the actual size component store, 8.9 gigabytes. Number of reclaimable packages 2. Component store cleanup recommended yes. So it's saying that we should be running a cleanup. So let's keep this open here, and we'll run another command prompt window just so we could go back to this and see. Okay, so now we're going to run this cleanup command here, start component cleanup. Copy this. We'll paste it into our new window here. So this might take a few minutes to actually run and do its cleanup. Okay, so operation completed successfully. So let's run this again here. So before we had size of component store 9.26. We'll just open another window here so we don't clear that out. And then we'll run this first command again. Okay, so like I said, 9.26 before. Size of component stores 6.73 before. And now it says number of reclaimable packages 0 and component store cleanup recommended no. So if you plan on maybe reverting back your major Windows update, I wouldn't maybe not run this until after the 10-day expiration date, and then you could run it again just in case it removes anything that you need to get your free space back. I closed the properties window, so I don't remember what we had for the before and after free disk space. So I'll have to look at that one in the video, but let's look at what we got now. So 34 gigs free, so you'll have to see what we had at the beginning of the video, and it didn't remove this Windows old folder. So this is just one way to just clean out these component store extra files here. But if you want to really clean stuff out, you probably want to go into the Windows settings, then to your temporary files, and then clean it out from that way. So you could check out our video on that. So once again, I'll put these in the description. You could try it out for yourself and see how it works. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.